Caca heads. I don't even know where I parked it. It's okay. He's crazy. It's okay. Look it. You want to race? You want that VTEC, son?
Sure, let's race. I don't care. I'll win anyways.
My car shakes, but it's okay.
Well, we haven't left yet. We're about to go to the house and get my car.
This is a homage beat.
Alex, you see that car? You see that Focus? That could be you. That could be you, Alex. Hey, fuck off. Why you always gotta say smart shit?
I'm a smart ass.
Hey, what? I record you.
I know. I'm a smart ass though. Sometimes I'm proud of it, sometimes I'm not, because I feel like I backfire on it and I piss people. And
There go the car with the rims.
Barely.
You got a bit of road rage here.
Look at these niggas right here behind them.
Road rage.
Yo, in the car in front, flip them off with the
Probably because they cutting.
Are you fucking serious?
This is trying to kill these motherfuckers, bro.
Record this shit.
I ain't recording this shit. Because they lane split, and that's why.
You almost rear-ended
They
that
so
truck.
fucking damn. You were about to reel it. Wow. That's some bitch ass move trying to cut off bikes like that.
You gotta be out of your damn mind.
They fucking dumb enough to do it.
Well, they probably, no, not the bikers, probably the people in the car. Because those people in the car would take through this stuff.
And of course they would have been black. No, they was male.
No, one was the guy, no, the guy was in the driver's seat.
Well, we're somewhere. They're talking about tacos, so it's my first time here. Look at this sexy ass car. Honda gang gang. But yeah, I'm gonna get rolling with this shit. This is my first time here. Hey, don't mind me. Let me vlog in peace. Hey, look. But yeah, this is my first time here, so. They came here before, but I couldn't make it because asshole wouldn't let me off. But and he's revving and shit. Oh look, Mopar. Hey, fuck off, nigga. I'm just fucking recording everything because I don't know where the fuck we're going. They could be leading me into my death or some shit.
Yeah.
See, he admits it.
Nope, I don't.
I got it on camera, bruh.
I was just joking. You never
Mind
know.
your business, kid.
I'm not a kid.
Not
I'm a kid at heart.
Hey, look. Hey, look. I got you. It's on the vlog. So if I end up missing, it's on the vlog, bruh. Hey, look.
It's a big sausage.
You swallowed
That's what she said. Sorry. Got it out, bro. Okay, I'm fucking recording this shit.
When you were recording and we were
showdown.
When you were out.
Who we out here? Challenger number 1. Oh, challenger number 2. Oh, he's getting jiggy with it. Oh.
He's debating if he wants it or not.
Oh, he's going in. He's going in. Oh, Vince is getting sleepy, I think.
Huh?
Wait, what?
He's going to sleep the entire car ride home after this.
And we have our winner.
I'm not going to say nothing. You put yourself...
I just pointed this shit out. But it's in the boys' room. That shit's sketchy as shit. You know me. You know I fucking love knives, bro. This is like fucking heaven. Oh my god. Goddamn Latinos over here. Subie! The sick.
I don't think you can find it.
Yo!
Hey, what the fuck? She's so fucking hostile, bruh.
Oh, you about to go back to the Georgia?
Hey, what the hell?
Stop.
Look at that. Gang shit, Honda gang.
That's fuck.
Hold up. I want to get a start up.
You're not full, I know that for a fact.
Ooh. Oh, hey, hey.
I told you that.
I don't care. It's still exhaust, bro. Still exhaust. Yo, what's up? I'm about to end it now. We just got in. It's like 11 something. About to go to the store, fill up, get tomorrow. No, I'm gonna fill up tonight. Yeah, I'm out. Had a great time. Yo, if I met you today, well, that day, and I talked to you, whatever, I'm sorry. Like, I was been up since 24 hours since yesterday, 4 o'clock p.m. And I'm just about to get some sleep. So yeah, but anyway, I'm out. Peace, stay humble, stay driven. F Cancer.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.